So this here is a 1984, I think, Hoover Helpmate hand vacuum. So I got this at Goodwill for like $7. I think it was $7, yeah. These are pretty hard. Nah. They're not the easiest to find, but they're also not the hardest thing to find. I would never call them common, but I'm also not going to call it rare. Mine actually has the original box, which is pretty cool. And this box isn't even in that bad a shape. Unfortunately, Goodwill decided to tape on it, but whatever. So there's the box. So let's open it. So I do not have the crevice tool attachment. I'll show that to you. Oh, no, yeah, I don't have this attachment. Where is it? Yeah, it's right here. I don't have the crevice tool. What's it? So you have a warranty card. So it does have a little bit of damage here. I'm not sure what that's actually from. I have a Regina, very old Regina attachment from the 60s. I think it's brand new in the box. When I opened it, this paper was, I think it was eaten by mice or something. I don't know. There was nothing living in the box. So if you guys could tell me what this kind of damage is, please let me know. It looks like the paper had been eaten, but there was nothing in the box. No bugs or anything. So yeah, it's the original consumer response card. This looks like it's your 1-year warranty. Who would use this commercially? That's the funny thing. Yeah, see, it's got this kind of damage to it, but it isn't as bad as Regina. So that's pretty neat. You have your original, I don't know, this is the other warranty information. This is the instructions. So they're in very good condition. All these paperwork isn't in that bad of shape. It's pretty decent, especially considering that these are about 4 years old. This is the brush attachment that clips on the front. That looks like it's never been used. And here is the dust vac, or Helpmate. They were called dust vac in the UK. Inside of the box, here it is. So it's got a pretty long cord on it, just a basic Hoover cord. What the plug looks like, it's in very good shape. It wasn't even that dirty. Well, this thing was disgusting when I got it. That looks very minty. So this here is your rating sticker. I think this might be 85. I'm not sure. Please let me know. I know it's early to mid 80s. Your end piece, you can use it like this. So to open the bin, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So you press on this. Oh, my camera. Okay. So you press on this middle piece and this part pops up, and then you kind of have to lift this, but it comes off. So on the UK models, you got a much better filter than this. Oh. This is probably the original. Yeah, it's probably the original filter. The inside looks like. It's the motor. So I think it probably should get a new filter, but again, I don't actually think they're even available anymore. Put this guy back on. There's nothing really else to show. Oh yeah, how this goes on. So this goes on like this. It just kind of sits in. Bit hard to do with one hand. Yep, like that. And then you got to slide it over, and then it locks in. And then slide it over and it comes out. So let's plug it in and demonstrate it. Yeah, I think that's... Here we go. See, the motor is just the tiniest bit rough, but this thing was really, really gross. But it's cleaned up very well. Motor, just start up. Feels a little crunchy, but it's not too bad. It's pretty good. So yeah, that is the 1984 Hoover Helpmate. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!